Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can download the MS Teams app on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download the MS Teams app on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your web browser, next, you will need to go to the official website of Microsoft, since they are the developer of MS Teams. So on their website is where we can download the app. So to go to the official website of Microsoft, just go and search this. And after searching, you will now be directed to the website. So to download MS Teams on this website, just click this All Microsoft option right here. And after clicking it, you will then be able to see the products and apps of Microsoft, including MS Teams, so just go and select it. And then click the download button right here. And after that, you will now be directed to the download page of MS Teams. So just click the download button once again to start downloading the app. And after that, your MS Teams will now be downloaded, so you can now click the file to start installing the app. And after that, it's done. Congratulations, you will now have your MS Teams, so just log in or create your account and then you will be able to use it. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.